Guys, this is the part 2 of the 19th episode. The phone always has temperature issues in sun here. I don't know what's it. Like 10 minutes in directly in the sun and it will just overheat. So it was interrupted. So basically what I was trying to show you is that the definition of miracle depends on the definition of normal. What do you consider as normal? That okay, this is fine, that I have mind, I have heart, I have these organs. If you have any of these organs as two, no, that is not normal. A lot can happen, right? Different combinations. So same way it has happened in the nature also, right? Like some life form has like heart, some life form doesn't have heart, they have mind. Just because you are looking at from your point of view and putting it like up and down. Because you are only just like one kind of superpower. Okay, God is like top human. Understand? Human is just one way of thinking, one way of being. It's like there is something known as human being, right? So there is only one way. So then you are seeing like okay, so many different species. So there are like these many ways of being. So your definition stops there. So anything, if I give you, what if I give you like 5 billion more species, then you'll be like, oh, how did it happen? So breaking the normal is miracle. Don't just look for miracles in physical world. Physical world is just manifestation. A lot is being played in your minds by using the words that you yourself have like developed it into. So there is an understanding, common understanding. So that's why if you see like in US politics, they do polls. And polls measure how many people are in favor of this issue, how many are not in favor, how many are neutral. And that kind of guides a lot of like maneuvering in the political parties. So there is a way to gauge like what people are thinking behind a particular word. Because what is happening? Nothing really is happening. Only in politics, what is happening is they are just reading your mind. They feel like people will get behind this idea, so they are using it. That's it. So if somebody else can also use that power, but maybe in the right way, and that can also happen. So your way of looking at the normal in the very right way is like this is what you find a normal person to be. So if I act a lot, weirdly, so you will be like he's abnormal. Like talk to him to his doctor, like psychiatrist. So it's like let's say I can do like spectrum of it, okay? So this is like Zen. Oh, I am so normal, but I don't want anything in life. Okay, so basically how messaging can be fooled, that was what I was saying. And so that is like one way. Okay, what was I was like a modern kind of looking guy, nicely, doesn't look like bad, he's fine. He doesn't look homeless, and like he has this like a word which everybody is using, so he must know how to use it. He speaks English, so he's very good. So this is all the meaning attached to by the psyche. Like advertising companies use it, all of these, right? The behavior, like the psychology. Anyway, so that was about miracle. So miracle is anything beyond normal. It doesn't need to be in physical. It is just a way of experiencing it. If you just enhance it, you will understand what is miracle. Okay guys, I will see you in the last episode of this season. Bye bye.